Hello friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and today we are going to do a lemon shrimp Alfredo. Okay, here in my pan I put some butter, a little bit of butter, and then I sprayed some oil in there. Okay, no, my pan is not lining up with that camera. I always have problems. Okay, first thing we're going to do is I got frozen shrimp. I'm putting 2 bags in there because I am not joking. I love shrimp. So first thing I need you to do is get your shrimp nice and cooked. Then we're going to remove this. But first, I need you to season it with some garlic powder. And then here's where the lemon comes in. Lemon pepper. Okay. And let's get that nice and cooked in there. Perfect. Okay. Let's get our shrimp cooked. Also in the background right here, I have some water to boil for the fettuccine noodles to go inside. So I'm doing that at the same time I'm doing this. Okay, our water is coming to a boil and the shrimp is just about done. As soon as that's done, I'm going to get a spoon and put that in this bowl right here. And then we're going to make the sauce, which is going to be made out of cream cheese. Okay, my shrimp is in the bowl. All right. Next thing we're going to do now is throw in some onions. Ta-da! Okay, then we are going to melt this cream cheese. I cut mine up in cubes so it would melt faster. Okay, I need to get a rag. So, this is what you're doing. You're going to melt that cream cheese while you're cooking those onions. Also, we're going to stir in 1 cup of milk. Perfect. Okay, I'll be back when that gets creamy. But we're just melting the cream cheese right now. We're going to throw some pepper in this. We're going to throw some salt in those noodles. It's slowly starting to soften up. Throw some garlic powder in there. You know, probably 2. A little bit more lemon pepper because it is lemon shrimp. Now there we go. Oh geez, I'm gonna just splash it all over the stove. Just gonna share it with the stove. Okay, I'll be back as soon as this gets all melted. So I wanted to share with you that the cream cheese is gonna make this Alfredo a little bit tangier, and since this is the budget kitchen, I do think that a pack of cream cheese is cheaper than one of those big jars of Alfredo sauce. And also with the shrimp, I put 2 in because like I said, I love shrimp, but you use 1. You could use 1 unless you're crazy like me and you could just go ahead and do 2. However you feel. Look at it. It's It's melting pretty good. I want you to reach over here with your noodles and get some juice out. That starch is going to help thin this up, because this could tighten up really quick. Throw in your shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna go get my noodles. Throw in your noodles. Just get that all mixed up in there. This smells really good. This looks so good. It smells so good. One last step. A half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And we will get that all mixed in there. Okay, oops, and we are done. Never put a hot lid on your stovetop. It'll crack it. Okay, I gotta hold on to the pot. It is done. Just scoop it up. I felt like I needed 2 hands for that, for sure. Okay, I need to get some shrimp. I'm crazy in love with shrimp. Oh, just feel like now I got too much Alfredo. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with myself, but here I am. Okay, friends. And then I made on my pizzazz some garlic bread. I'm going to stab some of that shrimp that I want so badly. I really got a taste for it. Really got a taste. Like, look at how cheesy. You can't go wrong there. And, of course, it is still hot. All right, so one of the things I wanted to say is that you could use any meat in this recipe. Like, chicken is a well-known one for Alfredo, but you don't have to use that jar of Alfredo sauce because it's probably a little bit more expensive than the cream cheese. And this is going to give you a better flavor, and it's going to taste special, okay? All right, I'm going to try to take a bite of this. I'm so glad I made this today. This turned out to be simply delicious, and it was easy to make. Okay, friends, let me know what kind of meat would you use in this, because you can use any kind of meat you want. Okay, friends, if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget videos, please subscribe. And always, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.